Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. This is part 2 of my bags from LASNV. I have 4 bags to show you. I had 4 bags to show you a few days ago, and I'll put that video below in case you haven't seen it. Camille is right here, and she is getting in my way, so we're going to do our best. I wanted to tell you, there's just so much to know about LASNV. Check out their website. I'll have that below. I'll have the links for these products as well. And they constantly add new things, and they have all kinds of bags, from the tiniest bag to the biggest bag you could need. And they also are introducing some new things, and I'll show you that in a moment. But let me show you, this is just so pretty. I love it. Look how pretty this is. This is a cosmetic bag, a toiletry bag, whatever you want to call it. It is pink velvet. It's furry. It's furry, so I'm not sure if you call it velvet or not. Yeah, isn't it? I'm losing it, y'all. And it has these cute stars on it. I know someone that I think would really love this. And it has these 2 zippers. So what I really like about a lot of their bags are like this, the cosmetic bags, where you can open it, you can just use one zipper, or you can use them like this, and just so you can open the top if you just want to take a quick peek in there or something. So, but this opens all the way this way, and there is some stuffing inside, so we'll take that out. And look at how nice, this is just a little compact bag. It has pink lining, and it has these nice gussets on the side. Isn't that nice? So you have a couple of pockets here this would hold like some lippies, and maybe a small compact or a small 4-quad eyeshadow or something like that. You've got room in the middle for other things. And then this pocket has a little elastic on it, and it's bigger so you can put something bigger in there. And this is, all right, Camille, this is $5.90. Isn't that pretty? So pretty, y'all. So pretty. I just love it. And the way that it zippers and everything, and those stars. So pretty. Okay, Camille, behave now. And now this is something that they have added recently. They have accessories. So I got this beautiful necklace because I wanted y'all to see what they carry, some of the beautiful things they carry. Okay, Camille. They have this beautiful alloy chain choker. This is a unisex necklace, and it was $2.94. I do want you to know that I am telling you prices, but LASNV sent me these free for review. So this is beautiful. It's gold. You see, it has this chain, and then it has this smaller or thinner chain, and then the way that it hooks together here is this type of I'm not sure what you call a toggle. I think you call this a toggle kind of. See, it has that bar, and then it has a circle that you put it in, and there's some charms on here, and it says go in the direction of your dreams. That's nice. And there is a map of the world on that side, and then it has this beautiful, this is like a, north, south, east, west kind of a thing. Hey, that's really pretty. I didn't even know that had that on there. That's nice. So it is unisex, and that's the way it hooks up. So it'll be a short necklace, and they show it in the picture on the website wearing it this way, so the charm hangs down. So makes it easy to put on. Then you can just put it around your neck and then toggle it right here. So very, very pretty. And next we have the next 2 bags I have are dupes, are like not exact dupes. This one's not an exact dupe, but I've seen many like it, and one of the most famous that I've seen like this is from Chanel. This is a cotton padded lattice quilt cylindrical bucket bag, or I like to call it a barrel bag myself. Okay, so it doesn't have any stuffing in it, so let's just put this bag in here so we can give it a little bit of body to it, okay? So it's a gorgeous color. This is, I don't know, they're calling this gold, and it's very, to me it's more like a, well, maybe not copper, maybe it is gold. It's beautiful, beautiful quilting, okay? So the outside of the bag is a barrel shape. So you see how it's round. And then the top has a gold zipper Very nice zipper that moves very easily. And when you open it up, on the inside, of course, I have that little bag in there, so let's take that out. I don't think there's any pockets in this one. It has a black lining, and I don't feel any pockets in there. So, but it's nice and deep. It'll hold plenty of little things for you to carry, and you can just carry this. You know, let's put that back in to give it a little, body going on there. Okay, you can just carry it, you know, like this, or you can make this a crossbody. So it has a nice big strap. This strap, let's see, goes like this. It's a little twisted there. So it has this nice gold hardware here, and here's the buckle. So you can make that bigger or smaller. If you just want to put it on your shoulder, or if you want to make a crossbody, just stretch it out here. So this is $8.21, and it's so chic. That quilting is so chic, and I just love it. I just love it. $8.21, y'all. I mean, and I do have a discount code, which I told you about in my other video, and I'll tell you about here. It is Mary 50FF, I think. Camille behave. Oh, it's not Mary. It's Cats. Don't put Mary. Cats5, the number 5 OFF, and so you'll get 5% more off than the already ridiculously low prices that's on there. And they have sales going on and things like that all the time. So you will save 5%. You can use that with any other discount. They say that code is good forever. Then our last bag is a dupe for the Bog bag. This has been the hottest bag for the summer. It is a waterproof beach bag, and I love this color. This came in like 10 colors. Let me move back a little bit so I can show you. It's quite large, very, very large. It even has the bees on it. So look at how cute it is. It's waterproof. It is, it's really like a plastic. It's for the outdoors, for traveling, for the beach. You can take all your snacks in here and put them in the car if you're driving, you know, over the summer for your vacations. A lot of people are back from vacation now, but this will last for a long, long time, y'all. You can use this from summer to summer. I can use this in the fall. I can use this all year round. I could take this into the grocery store when I go shopping and put juice and milk and things like that in here. And when I get home, I can rinse it out because it is a plastic, or I won't call it rubber because it's not real pliable, but it's super nice. It's $26.86. The Bog bags are $90 a piece. So I do want to show you this though, because I did not know how to handle this. When I got this bag in the mail, the handle was down like this, and you go to put it up and it's like, oh, that's gonna aggravate me to death. So I tried everything to get these off, the bees off. And inside, you know, they're very nicely crafted. Well, you can't get that off. And if you keep trying, you're gonna damage the bag. So here's what you do. It took me a while. I had to Google it, but I found it. Because you see, I got this one up. Okay, so what you do, in case you get this bag, is you just fiddle with it a little bit. Here, it's hard to do for me upside down. Okay, you fiddle, you just turn it. You seeing that? And turn it. And it takes a couple of turns sometimes. Well, how do I do it? There we go. There we go. See, it sort of was like this way and that way. It looks like you're going backwards, but then you get it. Then you get it, and there you have it. And you can put this over your shoulder. It will fit over your shoulder. But fantastic to take to the beach. Throw all your things in here. Your, you know, your cold drinks, anything. Your sand, you know, your kids have sand buckets and shovels and things like that. You can throw it in here because when you get home, you can rinse this whole thing out. Isn't it cute? There's the bottom. It's got great traction on the bottom. It looks like a tire. And there's the sides. And it is a fantastic dupe. That is a fantastic dupe. So that is what I have from LASNV. I am going to give this away if you'd like to win it. It's really beautiful. Like I said, there's the charms on it. And so if you're interested, you can just tell me charm. Say the word CHARM, and I'll put you in to win that. And this will run 2 weeks. So again, I have the fabulous Chanel. What else? Who else do we dupe on this one? The Chanel bag. Beautiful. I think I still have the little pink bag inside here. I think I do for somebody. Yeah, I love this. This is so precious and adorable. This is perfect for just a few cosmetics. Great to fit in your purse. Great to take on a weekend trip. And it's so pretty, the lining, the pink satin. And then of course we have the beautiful necklace. And then we have the bulk bag. And I love this. I'm excited to have this, y'all. I mean, really, because I have to carry bags with me to just one of the grocery stores here. They're not doing that yet where we don't have bags, but I know it's coming. It's coming. So it's nice to have these bags that these companies sell for us, because we will be needing them. So thanks for stopping by, y'all. And all my rules are in the description below. Please look for them, because YouTube is not responsible for this. Also, LASNV is not responsible for this. They did not ask me to do this. They did not tell me to do this. This I'm doing on my own. And I do want to have a bag giveaway at some point. I just have a lot going on right now. So keep that in mind. You will see it eventually. It may be more in September, October, because I have, I'm working on this whole shoulder thing and the expense of it. So, stay tuned for giveaways. Okay. All right, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings, and so good to see y'all. Take care. Bye-bye. Do you want to show them how bad you're being? She just keeps getting up on the table, and she is biting me, and she is trying to get at the necklace, which I won't let her, because I don't want it to be ruined for y'all. And she loves this little bag that I have for a dear friend. Okay, all right, see, she just does not like to be held. Camille, say hello to the folks. Let them see your gorgeous face. Look at how pretty she is, y'all. And she's really, it's hard to tell under the warm lights, but she's white. She's white like a, whoops, there she goes. She reminds me of is it a Siberian tiger that's white? That's how white she is. Bye, y'all.